Hey guys, it's Melissa of the Dominguez-Martin Group, and we are continuing with another segment of our Buying a Home 101 series. Today we're going to be talking about property condition, right, Linda?
Yes, we are going to be talking about that today, and it's going to be, I think, a topic everyone needs to know about. What is it that we look for in terms of property condition, and why is that important? Well, remember, the lender is going to be insuring and guaranteeing that loan, and we want to know that, God forbid, if we have to take that house back, which, by the way, we don't want to, but if we have to, can we resell it? So that's what we're always looking at. So we want a house that's in good, habitable condition. I always tell my clients, especially first-time buyers, make sure it's in decent condition.
What does habitable mean?
Well,
I mean,
that's a good question. Right. We want all the systems functioning. We want to make sure everything looks good there. It can be ugly. You can have pink walls and green carpet all day long. That's cosmetic.
Ugh.
But most people wouldn't like that. But we want to know that there's no broken windows. There's no safety or sanitation issues. So everything's functioning and looking good. If you have
what about flooring?
Flooring. You know what?
Because it can't be cement. Right?
It can be cement.
Oh, it can be
because
cement.
we do not have subflooring in Nevada.
Okay.
So you could have, and I've seen houses that have cement flooring. Totally acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah. What you can't have is if you had subflooring and then no flooring. But that's not very common in Las Vegas. But if the carpet's all torn up, that could be considered a safety issue. So those are the couple things we look at. Could be dirty carpet, it doesn't matter. Okay. We don't want broken windows, because that's a safety issue. We don't want doors off the hinges. Those kinds of things.
How about appliances?
Not required.
Not required.
No
appliances.
Okay. And it really is an appraiser decision about whether or not. I've had some appraisers, though not in the last couple of years, say, oh, you have to have a stove. Well, generally speaking, that's not the case anymore. But I do want to talk about water heaters.
I was just going to ask.
Yes.
Yeah.
Earthquake straps. Got to have them.
Okay.
That's something fairly new in the last couple of years. So if you're in the house and you don't see them for FHA purposes, and I'd say probably 90% of our buyers are using FHA, you really those have to be secured in the event of earthquakes. But a couple of years ago, do you remember when the market first started falling and people were kind of destroying their homes?
Yes.
There were a lot of homes that weren't in very good condition. And, there are some solutions for that. Believe it or not, there's a loan program called the FHA 203K, which allows for someone to
I've heard of that.
buy the house and get the repairs all in one loan.
Does it have to be, how bad of a condition does it need to be in?
You only have to spend $5,000. You can't spend on the streamline, and I don't want to get into too much detail on the program, but up to $35,000 in repairs. It's just really basic stuff.
Minimum 5, up to 35.
Right, and it's really easy.
So if people just want to change lighting.
Yep, carpet, appliances.
Just because they don't like it.
Yep.
They can do that.
Absolutely. So it doesn't have to be. We don't want to really do flip that house. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, most people aren't prepared for that kind of construction, although it's available if you wanted to do it. But most people are looking at, carpet, paint, appliances. You can do that.
That's good to know.
Yeah, and
Really
it's all
good to know.
financed into your loan. So hopefully that gives some other options to clients who are out there looking and maybe find a house that they love in the area they love, but it needs work.
Needs a little bit of work.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. Linda, thank you for joining us.
Of course.
And go to our website, dominguezmartingroup.com, for more information, or give us a call, 702-582-9088. See you soon.
Bye.